morning, everyone. Welcome to the Hatchery Management Workshop that we are going to be conducting today as part of Poultry Tech Bangladesh initiative. We have, as partners today, we have Axen Limited, we have Past Reform, we have Larib and Light Casa, and Poultry Tech Bangladesh. The entire initiative is co-funded by the Dutch Embassy. To give you a brief overview of Poultry Tech Bangladesh, Poultry Tech Bangladesh is a public-private partnership between a couple of Dutch Bangladeshi companies and a couple of Dutch companies and Bangladeshi companies, and the entire initiative is, as I said, co-funded by the Netherlands Embassy. With regards to consortium partners, we have 8 companies from Netherlands and we have 5 companies from Bangladesh. And Larib is the consulting firm from the Netherlands, while Light Casa Partners, we represent the consulting firm in Bangladesh.
And basically, I'll make it very short. What I see in front of me is basically an elite team of hatchery experts in Bangladesh. I'll be very frank with you. You are the people, the core people who runs the hatchery and the poultry farming, some of you. There's no doubt about it. And having you here is a privilege for us. So we'd like to thank you all, and it's an honor for us. Also with us, I have the new CEO of Kazi Farms, and thank you for being with us. It's a pleasure having you here. Many of you know me that I've been in the industry since 1999. My entrance actually was here through my family, actually my wife's family, poultry business, which is Sarah Islam. She's in the jute business. But they had the biggest poultry farms in Bangladesh, which is Usha Poultry, Usha Feed, Jesur Feed. I was one of the director and owners. That's how I started into the poultry industry, learning the basics. When it was sold out to Paragon Group, basically I started Axon. And you all know that my involvement is not limited to Axon. It supplies scope of machineries, technology. I'm involved more into the associations and development of the industry. We also work with other livestock and food related businesses. So what I'm trying to say is basically I have these over 2 decades of experience in this industry. I have seen a lot of breakthrough in the development of this industry. The second is the mass knowledge that you all have acquired over the years. That was very important. The third one is the efficient skills and management that you all have technically achieved and that you have performed to run every aspect from your end of the segments of the company. That has pushed this to another level. The last one, I would say, the introduction of the vertical integration in the poultry industry. Initially, it was a milling, it was a poultry farm, farming and hatching. That's it. Now we have added to it is poultry processing, further processing, which is ready to eat frozen product, diversified. Then we have waste management. In the recent years, you have seen a huge development and expansion of commercial laying, which is the table eggs, and commercial broiler, which is table meat. All this together has made the industry to become and reach to a point where we are today. But still, it's not enough. We have a long way to go, a lot of things to do, a lot to achieve. So considering those possibilities, this is a workshop that we all have together has organized to provide you with that knowledge and share yours as well to see what we can do to help each other out to overcome the issues and uplift our hatcheries of the poultry industries in Bangladesh. And here we are actually very fortunate to have 2 globally renowned specialists with us from the Past Reform Academy. Some of you already correspondence with them time to time. Some of you already got trained in the Netherlands from Past Reform Academy before. And here is Yad Dilange, is a poultry specialist. And then we have Lotta Bipin, hope I correctly pronounce your name. She is the incubation specialist with us. So they will be basically delivering their expertise, sharing with yours, and tomorrow there will be a demonstration with eggs which is on the way. So if you really want to learn and get yourself up to date instead of going overseas and things like that, which many of you do, this is your opportunity to be under one roof together with colleagues. Maybe they are competitors, but they are your colleagues as well. Okay, so together you can share everything. If you have anything personal, you can do it individually, one-to-one basis, not a problem. But this is your opportunity for you, an opportunity for us to work together, to share the knowledge and see what we can do. This program actually is basically organized jointly under the Potitech program, like he said, with Larib International from the Netherlands, and with local partners is Light Castle. And it was basically also supported by, in collaboration with Royal Pacific and Axon Limited, and supported by the Dutch Embassy. So at the end, I'd like to thank you all again, especially the